Alright guys, there's the boss, there's Project Bobby B, sitting up on ramps right now. It's running good, running real good. Idle, I fixed the idle, I tuned her up pretty good. Paint's looking pretty good for 46-year-old paint. I need to order a trim hardware kit, but today we're going to drive 2 hours north and we are going to make something very special for this car. So I'm pretty excited about it. Say hi. Alright guys, let's get there. Alright, so I'm at my dad's shop. This is the home of Brailsford Woodworks. Used to be Brailsford & Sons Woodworks. But we either got fired or me and my brother just moved out. But yep, here we are. He built this whole thing by hand. So everything here, first shop, was built by hand. So let's go inside real quick. Yep. Here's my dad. He's the master craftsman. This is the shop on the inside that he built from his bare hands. All this wood is from out here. I couldn't be here. He went ahead and took the liberty of getting, this is a piece of Cherry Burl, and he infused metallic flake epoxy into it by putting it inside of that pressure chamber over there. Or vacuum chamber? What is it called?
No, it's a pressure
chamber. So hopefully it's in here pretty good, and we'll turn this into a fancy gear knob. So here's the lathe we're going to be using, and here's all the craftsman tools. Alright, so we're going to get this thing set up on the lathe, but before we do that, if you could subscribe to my channel and check out my dad's channel. It'll be linked here in down below. And yep, here we go. First we gotta get the wood mounted. Gotta get suited up. I can't see a thing. I can roll. So this is what we're down to right now. Still got some of the epoxy in there. Still got a long ways to go. Now we're putting it on a chuck. So Leighton, say hi. Hi. So right now he's taking down the cylinder to 2 1/4 inches.
That's all right.
So he's the master craftsman. Kind of let him do the more finer details. We lost a lot of the epoxy. The wood's a little more solid in the middle. But that's okay. It should still come out looking really good.
What I'm doing there is called the shearing cut. You roll the gouge over on its side, using the cutting edge on the bottom, and you're shearing across the face. Like a drill press, spinning the drill, we're going to be spinning the piece, and the drill stays put. So, this baby. These things clog up very fast. You got to keep backing it out. Put a little bit of CA glue on this. Or you do it this way. That should do it.
Here we go. Here's the general shape, and it's for most people this might be a little big, but for me that is perfect. I got a pretty good size hand. All right, so we got the shape that we want. So right now what he's doing is he's taking it down. He's making it smooth. So we got the shape we want, so he's got to take it down and stepping up the grit of the sandpaper. This thing is starting to really look cool, and it feels good too.
Yorkshire grit. It is the honing compound for turning. Oh. A pile of those chips. Oh, and there is some in there.
Oh, that looks good. Look at that. Oh, wow, that came out awesome. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. There's a little bit of the epoxy left. Perfect size. Oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. Alright guys, so here's the shift knob. This is gonna go on the MGB. It's the perfect size for my hand. Can't thank my dad enough for helping me out. He's definitely a master of his craft. I mean, this is awesome. We have an extra little piece that came off the burl that we're gonna try to make. I don't know if he'll do it today, but we're gonna try and salvage more of the epoxy in a smaller shifter, and I'll have options that I can swap them out, and yeah, it'll be pretty cool. Hey, if you guys like that video, please subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to my dad's channel. Link will be down below. And yeah, if you're interested in this, let him know. He hasn't decided to start necessarily selling these yet, but he might. This one came out great. Just let him know if you're interested. All right, guys, take care.